Every day across Indian cities, traffic police deploy manpower based on experience and gut feeling. Political rallies, religious processions, VIP movements, each one creates a localized traffic breakdown. There's no system to predict the impact, no data to guide deployment, and no way to learn from what happened before. What if every traffic event could be forecast before it happens? What if manpower, barricades, and diversion routes could be recommended automatically, backed by thousands of real incidents? That's exactly what we built. This is ASTRAM, the Advanced Smart Traffic Resource and Analytics Management Platform. The first thing you see is today's live congestion risk index, a real-time score from 0 to 100, calculated from the current hour, day of week, and 8,173 real traffic incidents from Bengaluru. Right now it's Saturday morning, so the gauge correctly shows medium risk at 47 out of 100, with the recommended action, elevated monitoring. On a Friday night at 9 p.m., this same gauge would read 97 out of 100, critical, and tell officers to pre-deploy all units immediately. Below, 6 key metrics from the dataset: 8,173 total events, 7,706 unplanned, 8.3% road closure rate, and 61.5% flagged as high priority. Every number is live from the ASTRAM dataset. For analytical charts, event volume by cause, zone distribution, road closure rates per event type, and the top affected corridors. Vehicle breakdown dominates volume, but VIP movements cause 80% road closures, a critical distinction for deployment decisions. All charts update live when you filter by zone or event cause in the sidebar. The Temporal Patterns tab answers when and where congestion peaks. This hourly chart shows 9 p.m. as the single highest risk hour, over 800 events recorded in that window. The colors tell the story instantly: red for critical, orange for elevated, cyan for normal. Thursday is consistently the busiest day. Saturday and Sunday drop significantly, which is exactly why the risk gauge showed medium this morning instead of critical. And this zone hour heat map is the most powerful view. It shows exactly which zones are hot at which hours. Central Zone 2 and West Zone 1 light up at 5 a.m. and again at 9 p.m. South Zone 1 peaks at 10 p.m. This lets officers pre-position resources before congestion even starts. The risk matrix is where we replace experience-driven guesswork with hard numbers. Every event type is scored across 3 dimensions: road closure likelihood, duration impact, and manpower need. VIP movement scores 7.3 out of 10, highest severity, with an 80% road closure rate and 8 police units required. Public events score 4.6. Vehicle breakdowns, despite being the most common event, score just 1.1, they rarely need more than 1 unit and 1 barricade set. The radar chart makes this comparison instant. Construction dominates duration, it takes 50 hours on average. VIP movement and public events dominate manpower need. Road closures peak for VIP and public events. 3 completely different risk profiles, requiring 3 completely different response strategies. Now the centerpiece, the AI Event Planner. Let's plan for a political rally tomorrow evening in Central Zone 1, on Mysore Road, with an expected crowd of 10,000. We hit generate, and GPT-4o produces a complete operational deployment plan in seconds, grounded in 8,173 historical incidents. 4 sections. Impact forecast, 60% road closure probability, 3 kilometers congestion radius, peak window 5 to 8 p.m. Manpower plan, 30 police units, 20 traffic wardens, 5 PCR vans deployed from 4:30 to 8:30 p.m. Barricading, 50 barricade sets at 500 m intervals, VMS signs activated 1 kilometer out. Diversion, Primary via Nice Road adding 15 minutes, secondary via Magadi Road adding 20 minutes. On the right, the system automatically finds the 3 most similar historical incidents from the dataset using cosine similarity search, filtering first to the same event cause, then matching by zone, corridor, and time of day. This is the evidence base behind every recommendation. Not just AI guessing, AI grounded in real data. One click, a fully formatted PDF deployment report downloads instantly. Event summary, full AI plan, historical evidence table, and impact simulation, ready to hand to a field officer. The impact simulator answers the question every decision maker asks: does this actually make a difference? For a political rally, without ASTRAM, 46.4% road closure rate and 49 minutes average resolution time. With ASTRAM deployed, closure rate drops to 28.8%, a 38% reduction. Resolution time drops to 33.8 minutes, 31% faster. That's 15 minutes saved per event. Across all 9 event types, the pattern is consistent. Every single category shows measurable improvement. DIP movements are hardest to reduce, but even there, 15% fewer closures. Road construction sees the biggest gain at 42% reduction. Finally, the diversion playbook, the post-event learning system the challenge specifically asked for. Built entirely from patterns in the historical data. Each event type has a complete SOP, step by step. Pre-event deployment 2 hours ahead. Crowd arrival management with one-way flows. Post-event phased dispersal plan. And an incident response protocol if a full closure is forced. These aren't templates, they're derived from what actually resolved events fastest in the historical data. And this post-event learning summary ties it all together. DIP movements, 22 minutes average, 80% closure rate, full alternate corridor required. Construction, 964 minutes, that's 50 hours, pre-notified static diversion. Public events, Mysore Road to Old Madras Road is consistently the best diversion. This is institutional memory, codified. ASTRAM. Advanced Smart Traffic Resource and Analytics Management. 8,173 incidents. 6 analytical modules. 1 AI-powered platform. From gridlock to green light, ASTRAM.